The Nikon 70-200 2.8 Z lens is a beautiful lens, very expensive, and comes from the Thailand factory with a defect. I'm going to show you what that is and how to fix it. So the problem with this lens really isn't a factory defect, it's just that they forgot to put thread locker on these problematic screws right here. It's all we've got to do to fix this. We're going to remove the screws real quickly here and get down to the business of applying Loc-Tite blue thread locker to these small screws. Make sure you clean out the area there since you've got it apart. Make sure there's no dust or any dirt accumulated in that mount on the lens. Reassemble and reinstall these 4 screws with the thread locker by Loc-Tite, or if you're in another country, whatever you have. Regardless, these screws should have come from the factory with Loc-Tite already applied, and they did not. Okay, here's what it looks like when you do a clean job of applying the thread lock to this tiny screw. That's about how much you need right there. Not a lot. Really less than that would be just fine. Doesn't take much at all. Gently start these screws. Make sure you have them in straight because they can be threaded wrong quite easily. Do this to all 4 of those screws for this base mount. Good. Now I'm gonna go ahead, apply the other 2 screws here. Same routine. I just want to show you repeatedly how it's done so that if you missed it the first time, catch that little drop. If you got too much, just wipe it off like that on the paper towel that you've got sitting right on top. And now get it started and get it done. Go ahead and tighten these all the way down when you go in. Use the right size screwdriver, be very careful, and those will hold. This will alleviate or even eliminate the vibration of these screws coming loose, vibration that comes from being in a boat, a car, a plane, a train, whatever you're traveling on. Screws will come loose due to high frequency vibration, and this is how you alleviate these screws coming loose. You don't want to arrive at a shoot or on a vacation and you pull out a lens like this and it falls apart or has an annoying rattle in the mount. So that's how we take care of that. Final screw here and we are done. Thread locker, blue 242, removable. That's the key. It has to be removable. There you go. The Nikon 70-200 2.8 Z lens ring mount rattle is fixed. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you check back often at F8 Be There, a service of Shannon Drobby Photography.